on the ground. Freeze. Move on the ground. Okay, I'm not sure what you. The handball. It's a yellow card. Move on the ground. Welcome to 11-11.
Yellow light all around. That's a foul.
Keep it out, Trevor. Move the ball. Good. Move the ball, Grayson. Good, Johan. Good, Grayson. Good.
Yes, Grayson.
Switch sides. Move. Look at Levi. Take him on, Zach. Zach, take her on.
Grayson, yes, Grayson.
Can you switch sides, Grayson? Offside. Gotta secure and keep it, Grayson. Trevor, not deeper than your center back. Look at Aiden. Not deeper than that. Go on, Grayson. Trevor, take the throw in. Let Grayson get out. There, Aiden, yeah. Levi, you're the one who always has space right now, so find a way to get on the ball. Because you can switch it for us if it's too tight. When we switch out, Deontay, too tight. Good. Zach, inside. Higher and inside. Higher and inside. We're not going to find you that wide, Zach. Good. Good. Wide now, Zach. Good call. don't hide. Cruz, don't hide. Don't put yourself in the corner there. Can you switch? Go, Cruz. Levi, yeah, be available inside. Cruz, other side. Good, build in here. Levi, want the ball inside. Go on, Grayson. Go on, Grayson. Here, go with it. Blue ball. Levi, let Tofu go to that. Let Tofu go to that so you can stay. Talk to Tofu. Tofu, come on. Work. Yes, Deontay. Yes, Deontay. Grayson, you're too low. Grayson, come on. You gotta press the fullback. You gotta press the fullback. We talked about it. Tuck in, Carl. Inside, Carl. Don't man marker. Grayson, higher. Look at the ball. First touch can't get to run. Drop a little bit, Levi in the pocket, between the center backs and the mids. On the ground. Aiden, wider. Want the ball. Trevor, wider. Cruz, let's play Aiden. Play, good. Trevor, as wide as you can. Trevor, look this, Aiden, look to switch. Stay wide, Trevor. Keep her wide. Tackle. Don't need to run, Zach. Can we keep it, Zach? Relax. Enjoy the ball. Good. Get your passes in. Aiden, wider. There's no pressure on us. Let's not give the ball away. ball. Trevor, there's no pressure on you. Let's not give the ball away. Zip. Higher. Zach, let's keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Good. Got Levi. What about Levi? Levi, demand it. You're open. Yes. Go a little bit higher. Create that space for Levi to get on the ball. Where you get it in between lines. Cruz, we don't need to run in our half. Don't need to run. Don't need to run. Move the ball. Levi, want the ball. Levi, want the ball. Stop running forward. Levi, the space is there where you were. Stop running. Left and right. Left and right. Left and right, Levi. Play. Left and right. If you switch, Cruz, other way, other way, other way. Good. Levi, left and right. Good. Good. There we go. You need to be one touch, son. Secure, secure, secure. Don't need to run. You don't need to run. Good. Enjoy the ball. Good, Levi. You can pull away a little bit, Levi. Good. Move the ball. Move the ball. Take a touch if you need, Levi. Good. Restart. Good. Aiden, wider. Aiden, wider. Carl, wider and higher. Cruz, that's a dangerous ball. Just play Aiden. Wider, Trevor. Wider, Trevor. Wider, Trevor. Trevor, wider.
Yes, here. Yes.
Don't need to run. Don't need to run. You don't have pressure on you. Keep it very good. Make the space big. Wider, Trevor. To the yellow. Put your feet on the yellow, Trevor. Feet on the yellow. Same thing. Good. Good. Now we move it. Now we move the ball. Good. Face the ball, though, Trevor. There's no pressure. Are you injured? What's hurting you? Back? Can you go back in or no?
Yes, here.
Young, let's go. Young. Grab Trevor. What happened? What happened?
Trevor has.
Yeah, higher Keon. Higher Keon. Facing that for you. Cruz, it's high risk as a center back. Aiden, get up. You're leaving her on side. Aaron, step to that mid sooner. Go on.
Oi, too much.
Trevor. Step Levi. No shot. Keon, you're outside. Move the ball. Savannah, move the ball. Good. Move it again. Make the space big. Carl, wider. Wider, Zubair. Wider, Zubair. You Levi, open the field up. Levi.
Play Carl.
Open the field up. You got time. You got time. Levi, come here.
Very hard to get the ball from the left side to the right side. What you do is say you have to
Cruz, got time, Cruz.
Viren, hold in there, drop. Viren, not your job. Viren, drop. Hold in mid, stay in there. Back line, you're too deep. Aiden, look out for that spaces. Aiden, get up. The ball goes backwards, you get up. Because that space is huge. Aiden, back. Get Viren. You can go out the other way, Viren. The other way. Play. Keep moving, Viren. Keep moving, Viren. Move the ball, Zach. You got Carl. Carl, get wider. Zach, you don't need to run. Move the ball. Good. Deontay, want it inside. Good. It's open. Hit it. Viren, you gotta move. You gotta move. Statues don't get the ball. Good. Open. Let's go. It's a blue player there. Levi, can you grab Deontay? Security on. Come out of those two sides. Good. Good there. Get wider, Cruz. Get wider for him. Good. Hips open, Aiden. Ask for it, Viren. Good. Open up. Hey, boys. We can't play the same channel. Try to get in Viren. Try to go the other way. Sub.
Deontay. Viren,
Go back to attacking mid. Levi, go hold the mid. Tupu, higher.
Options.
Higher. That's where I want Levi in that pocket. Levi, come out the other way. Cruz wider. Keep it. Good. Out the other way. Levi, out the other way. Good. Better. Much better. Aiden, ball's gone up. What do we do? Aiden. Higher. Cruz, get up. Cruz, up. Outside. Aiden, as wide as you can now. Like to the 40, Aiden. Zach, pull her away, so go out space. 40, now you're 2 1. Wait, yeah, where's the 40? 4-0. Wait. Hips open, look forward. That's fine. Drop out, Aiden, good. You got Viren inside. Let's go. This could be a big thing. Let's go. You got your mids available, Cruz. Good, fine. Play on. Viren, wide, Cruz, go wide, Trevor. You're my left center back, right? You're center. I don't know what you do. Trevor, go to center back. Center back. Center back. Center back. We're out of balance right now. Center back.
You're back with him. Where
Cruz.
Aiden was playing.
Zubair is left back. Very different. I don't care what Zubair said. I'm telling you what I said. This isn't an argument. Don't need to run, Tofu. Tofu, what did I just say? Good. Move the ball, Viren. Move the ball. Move the ball. Cruz, get up. Cruz, get up. Carl, get up. Good, Johan. You're moving now. Keon, go. You can go to half and you're not offside, right? Go to half, Keon. Half, Keon. Johan, don't forget when we secure it, like there, Levi, I need you to make the space wide, right? And then as you get closer to goal, then you go back inside. We've got to get width from you. Tofu, let's not give the ball away there, yeah? Move the ball. Keon, higher. We have it in here, wide, and you get closer to goal, then you go inside. Viren, you're gonna move. Levi, you're gonna be available. Good. Trevor, good decision. Good. Where's the next one inside? That you made! Trevor, Zubair as wide as you can. Viren, we need someone inside, so keep moving. Keep moving. Good time, Milo. Viren, move. Viren, move. You're walking. Good.
You're off. I think.
Come on, Jan. Go to go. Go to go. Go to go. Jan, stay outside. Wait. Stop. Move. Come on, go join up, yeah, take it in. More. Levi won it, Levi won it. Levi, come help him. You're offside. You're offside, Johan. Johan, if you're on the end line, you're probably going to be offside, right? Side in the middle. Good. Move the ball now. Move the ball now. Move the ball now. Good. Trevor, stay. You're center back. Yeah. Keep going, Johan. Get inside. Go to goal. Go to goal. Go with the back. Johan, you're offside. Bounce, Goose. Can't bounce. Trevor, body. Milo, just play Trevor. Because now that's risky. Bouncing ball in our half. Who's arriving? Who's arriving? Mids. Who's arriving? Good. Open, open, open. Look inside. Look inside. Look inside. Play it. Stop.
Bruce, sir. You want one, number two. Nice. You want again? Yeah, control it. Yeah, no, back, yeah.
Zach, get in. Good, Carl. Good, Zach. Wide, wide, wide. Step to that mid here. There. Good. Go, Zach. Deontay, step in. Deontay, step in. You have Levi back. You got Milo. You got Milo. Play him. Levi available. Rotate inside. Deontay, rotate as well. Here, you're not available. available, get higher then. Jared, get higher then.
Driver, listen to your
Yeah, Milo, Trevor. Blue ball. I don't care. Blue ball. Pass the ball earlier. You got 7 chances.